Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss how to update data in MySQL using PHP. First of all, let's check the output. This is my employee table. Here I have added one update button for update the employee. Okay, let me update the second data. Suppose here I am put my name. City Mumbai, email address, my email ID. Okay, now I am click on the submit button. See, the record is modified successfully. Let's check in the phpMyAdmin also. Whether the data is updated or not. See, the second data is updated successfully. Okay, let me discuss about the coding part. See, here I am using four files. One is database.php, second one is retrieve.php for retrieve the employee data, and third one is the style.css for make the style of the table and form, and the last one is update process.php file, which is used for update the data of employee. Let's open in a code editor. Yeah, here it is already open. So first of all we discuss about what is database.php file. So first of all I am going to discuss database.php file. Here is my database.php file code. This is used for connect with the database. Here I am using the credential like localhost, username, root, password null, as I don't have any password. This is my database name. Then I am use the MySQL connect method to connect with the database. Now let's move to the retrieve.php file. See, here I am here I am include the database.php file. Then I am write the query select star from employee to retrieve the employee data. Then I have make the table to show the data. See, here I have added a update button to update the data. In the update button I have linked the update process.php file to update the employee data. Let's discuss the update process.php file. Here first of all I have include the database.php for connect with the database. Then I have checked the user click on the submit button or not. If user click on the submit, the count post should be greater than 0, then the query will be executed. Here I am write the query to update the employee. The query like update employee set first name is equal to post first name. The post first name come from the input field when user click on the submit button. Like that, here I have added last name, city name, email, etc. And I am using the where condition to update a particular employee. See, here I am write where ID is equal to post ID. In case of update, we need to show the particular employee data to update. So here I have taken the form to show the data of employee. Here I am taken input field like a hidden field for ID, then first name, then last name, then city, then email, etc. And I have put the data of employee by using this query select star from employee where ID is equal to get ID. Let me show you the update mechanism in output. See, when I have hover the mouse on update button, here in the below URL so ID is equal to 2, and here when I scrolling on the update button, see in the below corner the ID is equal to 1. Then I am click on the update button, see, then the data will come. Let me show you how the data will come. This data will come from this query select star from employee where ID is equal to get ID, and I will fetch the result using the MySQLi fetch array. Let's check the output again. Here is my two data and I have updated the first data now. See, here my data is Divyasundar Sahu, city name Bhubaneswar. Let's change the city name. Here I am change the city name to Delhi and click on the submit button. See, here the city name is successfully updated. So this is all about how to update data in MySQL using PHP.